Yeah, Derek. Hello, Smokey. Say hi, Owen.
Hi.
Hi to my video.
Hi.
Hi to my video. It's snowing. Come on, let's go. The leftover skins from our fruit plate last night. We'll go feed Susie. Here, Susie. Here, Susie. Oh, and is Susie hungry?
Yeah.
Let's go. Open up the gate for me. We'll go feed Susie. Who's that, you, Suze? Hello, Susie. Woo. Hello, Susie. Susie, say hi. Are you ready? Hello, Susie. The nice Suze. Is she nice, huh? Go over and give her a hug. Ah, have you hugs for Susie? Ah, Susie. She won't poke you. How'll she poke you? Go and say hi to her. Okay, we'll leave her eat that, so come on. Let's go do the chickens. Will you open up the chickens and see if we eggs? No, it's alright now. You didn't want to help a minute ago, you didn't. You were crying and whinging. Come on. Say chook, 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 chook. Come on. Chook, 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 chook. Oh, look, Lauren, they don't know what this snow is. Over there and give them a kick. They'll come out. Hello, ladies.
Hello, ladies.
Hello, ladies. Any eggs for us today? We've only 2 eggs. What? No, I'm only collecting the eggs. They don't know what the snow is. Look, they're all flying. Go away, Lauren.
Scratching the snow.
Go away.
Sure. Go away.
Yeah, but go away then.
No.
Hello, ladies. Get out. Go on. Get. Get out. There it is. Go on. Get. No, watch. Look. Watch him. Get out, Rooster. Look, get out. Yeah, good plan. Open up the other door there for them. No, I'll open all right. Big scaredy cats there. Look, they don't know what the snow is. Shake that bucket there.
Close the door on the far side.
Close that door, Lauren. It won't open.
Roof as well.
Yeah. We want to see him going out first. They don't know what the snow is. Look, they don't know what it is.
More well, or? There's the one come out.
No, they still won't come out. They're all scared. Out, Mary. Out.
No, don't go on there. No, you have to walk.
Oh, Jim. Here, Tina.
Here, Rutina.
He won't. They're nice. He won't shit no eggs. Say hello. See, the sun is not scary, or the snow isn't scary. Look. Chook, 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 chook. Oh, she's out. See? It wasn't that scary, so it wasn't, Jared?
Yeah.
Let's go see Susie, Jared.
Yeah.
See how she's getting on with her fruit. Look, there's a robin redbreast. Look, beside Susie. Who's the robin, lads? That's Jerry. Ah, push it back. I'd help, Bess. All right, Suze. Up. Sure. Now. Where's our Robin Redbreast gone? Where's our horses, lads? Let's go see the horses. Come on.
They're all going back there. We walk up to the horses.
In a few minutes, we get the quads out.
Yay! I'm going to Daddy's quad.
Wait! We're not going yet, you were told. Aw.
Man, do you not know, man?
Here, Bob!
Man, do you not know, man? I was driving blazing fast up there, Mum. Daddy's quad and down here.
Are you?
Yeah.
Call Bob. Here, Bob!
I'm going up Daddy's quad. One.
Here, Bob! Cut! Shh! Here, Bob, come on. Look, there they are. Bob and Missy.
I'm going up to him.
Here, Bob! Yeah, run up there, so ye. Go on. I'll video record you going up. You going up, Bon? And Lauren's going up.
I'm going up.
Are you, Jared? Out this way, so, Jared. Climb the gate.
Can you lift me?
No, climb the gate. You're able to climb on the worktops inside the house. Climb the old gate. Go on.
I'm freezing.
Yeah, 'cause look at your shoes. You want a Lauren socks on and one of your own socks on and they're not on properly.
I can't do it.
Yeah, come down, so. Do you mind going up there? Leave her up there on her own. Here, Bob. He doesn't like you. Jared.
That's my birthday.
Lads, do the crunchy leaves. Listen, do it. Crunch, crunch, crunch.
Oh.